All right, so a lot of people have pain in the back of the knee, and 9 times out of 10, it's a small muscle called the Popliteus muscle. So it's just a small muscle behind the knee that's running amok. Maybe it's just super tight. Maybe it's slightly injured. And so some gentle massage can really help and kind of free up that Popliteus muscle. It helps to flex the knee and stabilize the knee. So I just want to show you a quick 2-minute massage that you can do on your Popliteus muscle behind your knee to reduce knee pain. All right, so we are here in Slidell, Louisiana, just doing some hiking. And you could just join us at feelgoodlife.com. We help people over 50 defeat joint pain, and so that they can live active and healthy lives into their later years. So I just want to show you this pretty cool spot. This is a swamp. So we are in the middle of a swamp in Louisiana, just doing some hiking. It's a nice day in December in Louisiana. So, all right, let me show you this quick Popliteus massage to help you reduce pain in the back of your knee. So quick 2-minute Popliteus massage. Like I said, Popliteus muscle is a very small muscle behind your knee. And a couple quick tips whenever you're massaging any muscle is you've got to shorten the muscle and make sure the muscle is relaxed. Those are 2 really important things to remember when massaging any muscle. So let me show you the Popliteus. So again, the Popliteus flexes the knee and it helps to stabilize the knee joint. So you've got to put it in a flexed position so that you can get deep into the tissue. So here I am on this random picnic table in this park, Camp Salmon in Louisiana. And so here I am. If you can't put your knee like this is hurting your knee too much, you can put it on a, say you're on your bed or a couch, you can just place it gently on part of the bed. But you've got to make sure you get deep into that tissue. So you want that knee flexed so you can get deep inside. So I'm just gonna place my knee like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna find that shin bone. Emma, you wanna come a little bit closer? Emma's my camera girl today. So you wanna find that shin bone, this portion of it. You wanna zoom in, not zoom in, but why don't you come a little bit closer and come right on here. So if you see this shin bone, so your shin bone is maybe about 1 inch long, depending how big or small you are, and it runs right along your shin. So you wanna find the medial portion, and then you just wanna follow it with your thumb, and then the Popliteus muscle is gonna come right inside here, right back here. And so you can see when my knee is flexed, it's harder to get in there. When it's relaxed, you can see I can get deep within that tissue. So then what you wanna do is you wanna just take your thumb, make sure your leg is relaxed. You can see part of my hamstrings kind of tightening up a little bit. So this really isn't the ideal position for me. I'd probably want to do it on my couch, but I'm just showing this to you as an example. And you want to just take that thumb and do gentle circles one direction, and then do gentle circles the other direction. You can even press in there and hold. So again, when you have tissue that's tight, it's often called fibrotic tissue. So it's the fibers in the muscle or the tendon are tense and bound up. And so you can just take that thumb and you just press into it. That Popliteus muscle is a triangle-shaped muscle behind your knee. And again, it's really important to make sure your knee is relaxed, your muscles are relaxed, and it's flexed. So if I was trying to massage deep into that Popliteus, you can see here, it's kind of red. That's right where it is. If this was straight, it's gonna be harder to get in. If it's bent, it's easier to get in. So you always wanna flex those muscles to get deep into the muscle. So you massage it one direction, you massage it the other direction. You can go up and down and side to side. If your thumb starts to hurt, you can just kind of shake it out. So that really helps to reduce knee pain in the back of the knee. And 9 times out of 10, that's where the problem is. So that's the 2-minute knee Popliteus massage. All right, again, hopefully you enjoyed that Popliteus massage. Just takes a couple minutes and your knee's gonna feel awesome right afterwards. Here's Emma, she's got her mask on in the middle of the woods. she likes to wear a mask. I think it's comforting for her. I'm not sure why. For me, it fogs up my glasses. So I definitely don't like wearing it, even though I do, except for when I'm out in the woods. So here, check this out. Check out behind me. Isn't that cool? This is the path that we're on in the middle of the woods. Slidell, Louisiana, and we're in the middle of the swamp. So, all right, so have an awesome day. Thanks so much for joining me on this Popliteus massage technique, and I'll see you in the next video.